Family ministry leaders, these free video clips are for you to use in helping your people capture a vision for the importance of faith nurture in the home. If you are already using the Faith Legacy series, these video clips can be used for you to email to some of your participants who have missed a session and they have not taken the DVD at home. Or you might even use them as a teaser. You might even use them as a way to investigate if you want to use Faith Legacy series and see some of the content involved. Whatever you decide to do, remember that we at Kids Count Publishing want to do everything we can to help encourage you in that vitally important task, helping parents spiritually nurture their children. So, these video clips are spiritual parenting, and you can follow the many different topics as you look at the age group at the end of the title. Blessings to you in your very important ministry.